Here is a really nice item for moms with daughters, the Pick Woo My First Makeup Set. This is so pretty and it's for girls 3+. You will have many different options from eyeshadow, blush powder, and actual lip gloss. This also contains natural pollen, so people who have a pollen allergy would not want to purchase this product. You also receive some nail art stickers to go on our little girl's fingers, and it gives you directions on how to do that in the back. This item is very, very sturdy. It comes in hard plastic, so for our little ones who like to drop things all the time, this will not break easy at all. To open this up is really, really easy. You will push this button down right here and it automatically pops up on its own. Then you have these really cute images around here. You have a little mirror in the front. There is film over top of this. When you peel this off, you'll be able to see yourself. And then you have the eyeshadows here, the blush, and you have your little applicators here at the bottom as well. And then when you're done, you just close it up and go about your day. This is a really cute option. You do have these little raised areas on the side so that it will be raised up off of the table while you are indeed using it. Getting a deeper look of the actual eyeshadows, just putting a little bit here. They're all glitter based, so you do have your different glitters in all different colors, sparkly. It's so pretty and so nice. And then when it comes to the actual blush, this is really nice as well. As you can see on my skin tone, the many different shades it provides. It feels nice and velvety, so it will go on the skin really, really nice without being caked up, which is really great.